The beginning of the love of woodworking for myself came around the age of 12 years old during a tour of the Parliamentary Library in Ottawa. For the next 50 years, I've been cutting large boards into smaller pieces, then gluing them back together to create something. My name is Barrie Graham, and I am a cabinet maker. Woodworking can be taught, but creating comes from within. My 3-year course in cabinet making and design, more than anything, taught me how to see and think, how to approach a problem and solve it creatively. Many people think it's easy to make anything with the machines I have, but this isn't true. The machines only speed up the process. I reflect on the Chinese and Egyptians who made such beautiful furniture and had only hand tools to work with. The craftsmanship of those fine tradesmen is an art now disappearing. Automated machines is the future at the expense of traditional ways of working wood. Besides woodworking, I am an avid collector of snowmobiles. The first snowmobile I had, I was perhaps 11 years old. One of its main attractions to me was its use of wood for the traction cleats and the skis. Since then, my collection has grown and I have become a leading authority on the history, evolution, and reconstruction of the Husky snowmobile. I reproduce authentic skis and produce many reproduction parts for other collectors worldwide. Looking at the past and then looking at the future, I hope I can keep creating and working on all these things that I love.